Matthew, what are you doing, Matthew?
I'm just doing good.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking
You
egg.
cooking egg?
Yeah,
That's for Mama and Papa and Liana?
and me.
And for Lian, Matthew?
Yeah, you have to share.
You have to share.
Or chairs.
Cheers and cheers.
Yeah.
Good job, Nat.
I still have eggs, so
Yeah.
I'm not done yet.
Not done yet? Alright. I'm gonna turn
What?
the stove, okay?
The stew?
Yeah.
It's so hot. Why is it not working?
It's working now. There you go.
Whoa. Okay.
Do it, put it slow, okay?
What's the slow button? How hot?
Not too hot. Not too hot.
Not so fast. Still fire.
Not so high fire.
Yeah.
Then we turn on the egg
Light.
sauce. That's too hard. Too loud. Maybe number one, okay?
Okay.
And the lights. Ooh, there's the lights.
Mama, keep the fire, the room safe so we clean our house.
Yeah.
Look at all the eggs. It's so
Yeah.
cool.
Continue like that. Go get the oil, okay?
Mom, you picking what is that?
What do you want to use, Matthew? Oil or the butter?
Oil, the butter.
Which one?
Oil.
You want the oil?
Yeah.
Alright.
This is so not for kids.
Hmm?
They're not for kids.
Yeah, they're not for kids.
Yeah. Only for grown-ups.
Only for grown-ups?
Yeah. So boil it. Only boil it.
Yeah. Just continue better like that.
No. Like that.
Yeah. Slowly, okay?
And mix it.
Yeah, slowly.
And do that. Yeah.
Yeah.
We still have Papa and Mama helping Mama. Helping for Mama. Mama, you're putting your oil in the pan.
Yeah.
And you boil it, right?
Yeah.
And you pour the egg in there.
Not boil. We fried it.
Yeah, and you put it.
We fried it, not boil.
Fried it in there.
Yeah.
And you cook it.
Then you cook it. Yeah. What do you think? Is that ready now?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Because sometimes you eat egg, you cough in your neck.
Really?
Yeah, and you eat a lot and you choke, and then you just get in the hospital and you get dead, and then you eat it too big,
Yeah. Okay.
and you eat small.
Yeah, okay.
I have no shit.
Alright. Okay. I think it's ready. We put a little bit. Hold on. Let it go.
Wow!
Like that.
We're spinning.
It's more spinning.
More spinning.
Hold this one. Hold this one. No. We put a little bit. Hold on. Hold on. No. Do not.
I spill it. I'm going to clean it for later.
Yeah.
I just have bubbles.
Yeah.
More.
We divided by batches, okay?
More?
Yeah. By
In the
batches.
farm? I went to chickens in the farm. Hey, we're going in the farm for like.
Yeah.
I'm not done that yet.
So that done yet?
It's still have more.
Yeah.
Turning to a big egg.
Yeah.
It's not done yet, Papa.
Not done yet.
But I'm still helping you. I think you. Look at the lights of fruit.
Hmm?
These are fruit cookies. Thanks. Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome, Nak.
But you helping me?
Yeah.
Papa.
Yes, Nak.
Papa, spilled the egg.
You spill it?
The-
You spill it?
Yeah, and there, the table.
It's okay. We have to.
Sorry for that.
That's okay, Nak. We have to clean it up after.
After you clean food,
Don't forget to clean up every time after you cook, okay?
after you cook it, you make a mess.
You have to clean up.
Yeah, and then you have to eat any egg you eat.
Yeah.
After you wash your hands.
Yeah.
Papa, look at the. I'm so tired,
Are you tired now?
but I'm not tired yet.
Okay. All right. Ready.
Not yet.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah?
Come. Come. Move. Move to the fire. Come. Get down. Get down.
The fire.
Yeah.
Put the fire. Put the fire.
You pour the egg.
Build the egg.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Don't hold it here, okay?
Okay. I want to build the egg.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. You are ready?
yeah.
All right. Yay! Good job, Nak. job.
I'm going to make some meat for me.
For the sink.
What are we doing now?
Hmm?
What are we doing now, okay?
We just wait in the scoop.
What are we doing? It's too heavy, so I need to keep it. But look at the fire blue.
Blue. This? Yeah. Not too much heat, okay?
Yes. I'm not going to lift it, okay? And up in the roof.
Yeah, do not flip it.
Because it's too dangerous.
It's too dangerous.
Okay.
You know what? There's a little bit cheese, Nak. You wanna put some cheese in it?
Yeah. Yeah. I have fries and cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Let's put the cheese. I'm putting cheese into an egg. To my egg. I want to do this.
You wanna put it? Yeah, put it.
Turn the left.
On the top. Good job. More.
Lagyan mo nga sarap ko, gagawa ko ng ano, munggo.
Okay, one more.
One more.
Good job. Okay, one more.
Hurry up, Chef. Did you wash your hands?
No.
Yes, he was in his hands.
Hurry up, where's my breakfast?
Yes.
That's good now.
Hurry up, Chef Matthew.
I want to do it because it's hot.
It's hot now.
Okay, don't. Only for grown-ups help.
Hey, get me to this away.
Yeah.
More, right?
Um,
Spread it evenly.
yeah. But it's still.
Looks nice, Nak.
Yeah.
It looks nice. Matthew's
Oh.
egg pizza.
Hey, it's like a pizza, man. Let me do. It's too hot. Okay.
It's hot.
But,
Like that.
pizza, man. It
Wrap.
like a head like a pizza.
Yeah.
It like it. I love. It likes.
Uh-oh. Mama ate it already? Oh no!
Mama needs a plate.
You get one.
We need a plate, Mama. Oh,
Oh, you burn. You're not burning. You see the burn?
yeah.
Mom said this he needs a new one, so he needs to eat. And it's
Yeah, turn off the fire.
Turn off it.
Where's the plate, Mama?
Where's that? That's done.
Yeah.
Let's get the plate.
Let's get a plate.
I'm just.
Alright, get down, Mama. Get down.
Much
Get down.
Oh no, I'm not going to crack my head is going to crack and I'm getting red, so I'm going to crack.
Alright, slowly. But surely. Okay, go. Sit down.
Sorry, God.
Sit down now. And eat your breakfast. Go. Thank you for cooking for Mama and Papa. Let it cool down, okay? That's hot now.
So my piece.
Yeah.
I'm hungry. Shit. I'm so hungry. So I need to wash
Thanks enough for cooking.
Oh no.
Okay. That's my favorite, so let me cool down.
Alright, what you gonna say, Nak?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And subscribe.
Subscribe. How was your cooking, Nak?
Good.
You like it? Thank you for cooking for Papa and Mama and Liana.
I reckon
What are you drinking?
chocolate.
Chocolate milk? What? Wow, good job now. Alright, give me 5. Give me 5. Matthew. Yeah. Thank you. Almost done.